This is a 1951 Mgtd Abingdon competition, and it is a seriously special car. These were a limited production version of the Mgtd, built specifically to compete in motorsport, and only 11 were made. Of the original 11, it's believed that this one we have here at Frank's is the only one left in existence. The competition's modifications included dual fuel pumps, TF carbs, and additional shocks. Being such a rare car, potentially the only one left in the world, this TD is definitely one for the collectors and enthusiasts among us, or for someone looking for a perfectly usable British classic with a plethora of history and racing heritage. Will and I take this beauty for a test drive and put her through her paces. Then we delve into this car's fascinating story and why she's so unique. Enjoy! I'm going to tell you the history of this car soon, but not yet. We're going to go for a drive first. You ready, Will?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
Yep.
So I just want to draw your attention to the MG seat belts, which are down here. Look! Now I know that is aftermarket, but I like it. It's a nice touch. The MG sticker, and they're only lap belts. Look at that. Full safety here. Yeah, that button there. Pull that out.
Starter.
Give her a few blips in front. Oh yeah, sorry about that. Doesn't she sound nice?
Beautiful sound.
Oh, that's a beautiful sound, isn't it? Full tonneau cover, spare wheel, picnic hamper holder. And we've got this beautiful, I'm assuming that's the old dial, because look how old that is. Like, it takes a moment to catch up with its revving. And the genuine mileage over there. Stunning. Should we take it for a drive?
Yeah, let's go. Come on.
Let's go. Yeah. Right, should we go to the cafe?
Yep, let's go.
The biting point in this is really high up. So you think, oh, it's not working, but all of a sudden, off she goes. I have to sit forward to see over the very long bonnet. We're off. We're off and away in the MGTD. Woo! This fantastic thing here is the Mark II, which was built specifically for competitions because people who had the original one ended up using those competition cars and said they weren't powerful enough. So they built these for more power. But you can just feel it's like racing heritage as you drive this thing. And I'm not driving it very well because it's a very bumpy road. Oh gosh. So I haven't quite got to grips with how to drive this thing yet. It is old, it's 1951, same age as my dad.
Okay. Oh,
it's alright, we got this. Don't panic, Will.
morning.
We got this.
Yeah, we're alright.
Right, yeah, we're in. Don't panic, don't panic.
Morning.
Right. I don't know whether people in the olden days must have had a much slimmer feet and not more trainers.
Well, look, mind you, you're fairly small, so they wouldn't have been any smaller than what you are, would they? But people were a lot smaller in the old days.
Right, let's cancel the indicators, which are down here somewhere. I've lost the indicators, there we are. Right, let's go. What a sound! Let's make a scene as we arrive at Frank's Corner Cafe. Good morning!
We've arrived.
We have arrived.
Isn't that
indeed.
lovely?
Oh, she purrs like a kitten, doesn't she?
She does.
What a fantastic thing! Right, Will.
Yeah,
cup of tea?
Cup of tea time.
Let's go.
Yeah,
Oh, that's lovely. So what did you think to the old TD then?
beautiful, isn't it?
Down there.
Yeah, bit of heritage and yeah.
I absolutely love the history file that comes with it, and I couldn't believe it when I opened it up. Now it does actually include a letter, which I'm going to read out to you, written from the car itself. I discovered a note, and the note is written from the car itself, who we've discovered is called Finnegan. In 1951, there were only 11 right-hand drive Mark IIs built, and all were exported. I am one of those 11. I was shipped to the south of Ireland, where I was sold and a few years later brought back to England, and was purchased in 1957 by Tony Bamford, who took me to his home in Buckinghamshire. Mr. Bamford renewed my chrome and had me painted in 1973, then sold me to Rothmans International, who brought me to Canada and displayed me in their Craven Foundation car collection. A year later, I was bought by Roy Newton and put into storage until my present owner, George Merson, rescued me and took me to his home on the shores of the Georgian Bay, where I get to travel the beautiful countryside and feel the wind on my fenders. I am the only 51 Mark II right-hand drive in North America, and possibly the only one left out of the original 11 in the world. So please be nice to me and touch me softly. Thanks, Finnegan. How beautiful is that? Now I'm going to be a passenger. We're off, we're off in a motor car. Well, I have to say, you've got the clutch control better than I did.
I've got longer legs, Helen. I can actually reach it.
Hello, hello. Woo! Oh gosh.
Yeah,
we're sending it.
Second gear.
Oh, there's even got lovely MG hand-holding bits here. I love this, and look at that. What a beautiful thing.
Yeah, beautiful car. 70 years again, isn't it?
Well, I could get used to this. To get the beach.
Yeah, we could keep this, couldn't we?
Yeah, we could actually.
Yeah. I'll be a bit bumpy. Are you ready?
Yeah, ready. Woohoo! Yes!
Third gear.
Woo!
We're away.
Fantastic
And
car, that
yeah,
is.
this has got a few more surprises to be revealed
It
today,
has.
hasn't it? When you, yeah, I'm actually sat somewhere where somebody very famous has sat that I'm not going to mention.
Well, shall we explore? Shall we explore that?
Yeah.
Let's do that then. Now this part, some people are going to be all over it, some people not so much. But it's part of its history, so I'm going to read it anyway. It says, the fabulous 1951 Mgtd Mark II with a royal connection. Behind, there he is, look. Prince Andrew sat in this very car. Another picture of Prince Andrew sat in this very car. Different steering wheel. It's still that same car. There's that famous picture again. I think that's the picture that was published. The official photo. Oh, there's that much stuff in this folder. It's bulging out. And here we are. This is a previous advert for it. Here's your chance to own a very unique piece of British history. Whether you are passionate about classics, you love royal connections, or looking for an investment opportunity, this could be the car for you. Oh, that is a stunning picture. Look at that. That is beautiful. It is a bit respray. Way back when. Oh, no way! Ha! It's on the front cover of Barron's Auctions. Oh! And as if by magic, I opened the page. Trust me, that wasn't planned. There it is. It's true. Get it a lot cheaper here. Oh, I've just found something amazing. Oh, another one. A book with patina. Fabulous. There's just something about MG that I can't explain what it is. Maybe it's a connection for me. Maybe it's the fact that my granddad worked in a factory. Maybe it's the fact that I love them anyway and I've got 5 of my own. I don't know, but you know, one of these, when you see one of these, which isn't that often, but when you do see one on the road, you think, wow, what a beautiful looking car. They just don't make cars like this anymore, do they? Oh yeah, this is just it, isn't it? This is the life. For this beautiful car and many more, come and see us at Frank's Motor Company in Colchester, or visit our website at www.franksmotorcompany.co.uk.